If you're a science student, understanding climate change data will prove useful in your professional practice, but you may bump into different datasets and that can be confusing. WEMC's TEAL combines both historical and projection data in one tool. The data it presents is from reputable sources such as the ECMWF ERA5 datasets, the Climate Research Unit CRU dataset, the Global Carbon Project GCP, and the CMIP6 models. TEAL's clear and concise showcase of historical and projection climate data will help you improve your confidence in what climate data involves, how it can be presented, and how it can be used to inform decisions. To demonstrate the visualizations that you can generate with TEAL, let's look at the average annual temperature rise in Japan. The rising temperature in the country have caused heavy rainfall events and heat waves, which have resulted in socio-economic losses such as hindering the production of rice grain. The graph displays both historical and projected annual average temperature in degrees Celsius. By hovering over historical lines, you will notice how the temperature gradually increases as the years progress. Past data is represented by two lines. The blue line represents observational data, and the orange the reanalysis data from ERA5. After the present date, you can see three different climate projections: a high emissions scenario shown in pink, a stabilization scenario in yellow, and a low emissions scenario in purple. As you can see, each scenario is projected with an average line, surrounded by a low and high range to represent the uncertainty associated with predicting the future. Each of the scenarios predicts a rise in air temperature up to the year 2099. However, the low emissions scenario projects CO2 emissions to level out by 2099. This shows the importance of projection data when making climate mitigation decisions. Hover over the graph to view temperature projections for specific years. In just one click, you can download the graph with an option of several formats to use as a reference when learning about the technicalities behind climate data. Alternatively, you can also download the raw data that is used in the graph and create your own historical or projections graph as a visual for your analysis to further enhance your confidence in working with climate data.